Have you been worried about is kennel cough deadly? Pet owners will certainly agree with me that kennel cough appears to be an exceptionally worrisome health problem in pet dogs. In reality, kennel cough in pet dogs could be compared to a common cold in human beings. Research indicates that kennel cough is in fact caused by a PC virus, not a microorganisms or condition as initially thought. Due to it, kennel cough can disperse conveniently, and while the signs of it are indeed scary to hear, getting kennel cough is not always an indicator of something much more unsafe or major. So all you dog owners available, no should worry. All you'll have to do is seek various home remedies for kennel cough. This is because, luckily, most instances of kennel cough do not need medical interest. There are a number of various nostrum for kennel cough. Some of them include traditional residence treatments, home steaming treatments, soothing botanicals, and homeopathic remedies. Below you will discover higher details concerning these various therapies. Here.Home steaming TreatmentsMost pet owners concur that this is just one of the most efficient methods of treating kennel cough in pet dogs. It includes placing of a vaporizer that has cozy water in a room. Hot showers are also perfect for providing this type of vapor procedure. It is a good idea that pet dog owners execute this process at least 3 times in the period of some day. Among the wonderful things to know is that this one of the most inexpensive methods used in making certain that kennel cough is eradicated. Was this therapy, the vapor generated actually opens up a pet's bronchial tubes, which avoids stopping up of mucus or other discharges from housing in a dog's lungs. As soon as these bronchial tubes are cleared, the kennel cough signs will be gone. Traditional Home ProceduresThis remedy contains easy steps that can be done at home to remove the kennel cough infection from your canine's device. For example, pet owners must make certain that their canines are kept in tidy kennels. A great way to do this is to make sure your canine is appropriately toilet educated, to ensure that they are not resting or residing in moist areas from negligent urination. Another crucial point to remember is to ensure that your canine consumes healthy and balanced food on a regular basis. This will certainly lower their vulnerabilities to different infections. Wet meals and fresh meals aid in this, permitting your canine to heal faster compared to anticipated.Comforting. Botanicals. There are various items on the marketplace that can be used by pet owners as home remedies for kennel cough. These items help in reinforcing the invulnerable device of your dog in order to avoid infections. A few of these products include Plantago Lanceolata, Bryonia C6, and Purpurea.Homeopathic remedies and natural home remedies confirmed to be the most efficient nostrum for kennel cough. These treatments consist of KC defense, Respoke and homeopathic nose comfort. Guarantee that you use these solutions as advised in order for them to be reliable. With the number of nostrum for kennel cough offered to canine owners, I'm sure you could agree with us because there is no need to be extremely stressed if your household pet agreements this virus. While kennel cough symptoms might seem unpleasant when your pet is experiencing them, in the system of points, they are absolutely nothing also major. I know though sometimes we still worry. If that's the case with you, you might want to see this. Questions like is kennel cough deadly? It's a good resource for anyone to have. Make a note. You can find the answers to your questions like is kennel cough deadly will help you rest assured your dog is okay.